Hi, this is Jason Fielder with forex-impact.com. I'd like to talk to you about a 19th century trading system, a system that was actually developed over 100 years ago called the point-and-figure trading system. Now, this particular system has kind of been blacklisted over the past couple of 30 years or so, and I'm trying to change that by showing you exactly how powerful this trading system can be. And we've adapted it for the Forex market, and I want to show you exactly how that works. Typically, a point and figure chart has X's and O's, and they follow in a line. And instead of being time driven, they're price driven. And what I mean by that is, if you have on our charts, we have green columns and red columns indicating the green indicating when the market's moving higher, and the red columns indicating when the market's moving lower. Now, the individual boxes are representative of 5 pips. And the way that point and figure works, point and figure chart works, is as the market moves, it builds these boxes. Now, currently we have this set to a 3 reversal, which means that the market has to move, basically 15 pips in the opposite direction before we get a reversal. And what that allows you to do is cut through a lot of the chop, because you're basically only tracking changes as the market moves, and it is price driven. There's no time element to it, which is just really amazing. As you might know, support, resistance, consolidation, all those are price driven. They're not time driven. And so this is one of the aspects that point and figure really keys in on, and it can make you tons of money doing that. Now, I wanted to go through some trades real quick with you, just to show you some of the power that trading the forex-point-figure-pro can give you. Now, currently we have this particular column, and this column. So 1, 2, 3, and as it moves higher, this is what's called an ascending triple top. And basically you get a higher box size by 1 each time. And we have a green line drawn here. The system does that automatically. You don't have to do a thing. And when that line is broken, you actually get an arrow and an alert saying, okay, we have a trade there. Now, what's interesting is, we have an area that has been tested once, twice, and on the break of that resistance, we're going to buy in. Now, we have a previous support that's already been tested during this column. So we put our stop loss here, we buy right here, and as the market goes up, is what's nice is we have these pullbacks. Well, then the market pushes higher. When it pushes higher and you get another pullback, you can move your stop from where it currently is up to, say, break even. And you got to remember, each box here is worth 5 pips. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes, that's 25 pips within the first move. Then it pulls back, and then it pushes higher, and even goes 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So we're at 50 pips at the close of this column, and then it starts to reverse. Well, you can move your stop loss. The nice thing about it is you can move your stop loss up every time there's a pullback, and then a continuation. You can move your stop up and lock in profit. As you can see, you can continually do this until the market starts to come back against you and you're stopped out. But this is just a great way to profit with this particular system. And you may be questioning, what's this other line? Well, that is a bullish resistance line. And if you're trading this and you get 2 signals like that, well, the only thing you need to do, or the wise thing to do here, would be to go ahead and enter a few more lots right here. And then, when you get the first pullback, the first 3 bars of the pullback, the 15 reversal that we talked about, then at that point, the 3 box reversal, 5 pips a box.